James Group is a commercial industrial-based property company. We cover transactions, sales, leasing and property management Auckland-wide. We entered Deloitte Fast 50. We were 26th fastest growing company in New Zealand out of 50 in 2016. James Group averaged 311%. In order to service that growth, you've got to have some pretty outstanding systems and processes in place. You've got to be a market leader. How do you do that? It's real-time communication. It's being able to send a document to someone straight away, have it scanned and delivered straight back. And how the technology has evolved for James Group, everything was manila folder and paper-based. We then talked to Ricoh and said, look, come down to this office, have a look at this cupboard. How do we take that away from them being physically there? As a result, we managed to consolidate 200 properties to start with. As long as we've got an internet connection, you can access that from wherever you are.
To understand the needs of the business, we did a full IT and business assessment. And it was also exciting to have them as one of our first customers who went to a complete cloud solution.
Technology really helps us out, being able to work remotely. You know, it can save a lot of time if we take something to a client, we can show them directly and get things moving a lot faster than having to say, oh, wait till we're back at the office.
Well, in terms of mobility and the importance of that with the team, part of that is, well, that I've learned is you've got to keep your team happy. If you look after your team and you've got good people around you, the results will take care of themselves. The first thing is talk to the team. What do they want? They want flexibility. You're in a beautiful country like New Zealand, you want to be able to go and enjoy the fruits of its backyards.
Given we're such a young company with such a young staff, I mean, you can look around the office and see the kind of equipment that we use. Being able to have tablets you can take out, being able to have everything online and on the cloud means that people can step into the role and they don't have to look through old books or old information.
The culture here, like, it's really fast-paced. You know, the guys being in sales, we say time kills deals. Really important for them to be able to kind of take their work elsewhere, out into the field while they're working, just to save that time on having to travel.
It's been really gratifying to be involved in this engagement with the James Group, because we've been able to see the changes that our proposed solutions have brought for the business.
Well, it's helped us carve out a niche in the market by being mobile, because we can go out to properties with a potential customer, and if someone likes it, we can prepare documentation on the spot. We can send them information from anywhere, and we can keep in contact and update our landlords and our vendors all the time.
Through partnering with Ricoh, that's helped us to grow a lot faster and maintain our existing business relationships and those old school channels. There's no substitute still for face-to-face. They helped open our eyes to a whole different way to do business.
We're really looking forward to see where else the business is heading and how we can help them grow.